Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where we go over solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2005 AMC 10. This is question 1. While eating out, Mike and Joe tipped their server $2. Mike tipped 10% of his bill and Joe tipped 20% of his bill. What is the difference in dollars between their bills? So we can first solve this by saying Mike was $2, Joe was $2, and you know that this $2 is 10% of bill, and this is 20% of the bill. So this equation becomes 20 over 100 times Joe's amount equals $2. And this one, 10 over 100 times Mike's amount equals $2. So you can solve on both sides. So multiply by 100, divide by 10. You get M equals 20, so that's Mike's bill. And then over here you get Joe equals 10, that's Joe's bill. So the difference in dollars between their bills is 20 minus 10, which is 10, which means that D is our answer.